Yo, what up everybody? It's your boy Julie Jules and I'm back with another review video. All right, now today we're going to be reviewing the FiFine K683A mic. All right, now as you can see, I have the picture behind me and it's going for $56.99, which is a really good deal for these mics. FiFine is they're really underrated. They're really underrated with their mics. The last mic review that I did, I mean, the mic, it sounded amazing. All right, so I can't wait to get and check out this mic. But as you guys know, what I'm recording on right now is my Blue Yeti Nano. So this is what you guys have to compare the new mic to. So take a good listen to how I sound right now, okay? Listen, and then you can go back and listen to them both and be like, yeah, that's all kind of good. Yeah, that's all kind of good. All right, yeah. All right, so the mic is the FiFine K683A. This is a USB desktop PC microphone with pop filter. Okay, now this is the packaging, like I said, and let's see what it says on the front. It says, understand your voice better. That got me kind of excited. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It says studio quality, articulation, and intelligibility. Think about that. Intelligibility. I didn't even know that was a word, man. All right. Let's go ahead and open up this bad boy and see what we got inside. All right. Come on. All right. So I'm opening this up and this is just some contact information, Facebook, stuff like that. And then we got ourselves a user's guide. All right. It's pretty much plug and play, so you don't really need the user's guide, but hey, it's there for you if you need it. All right. Then we got the this foam. Ooh, look at this right here. Let's go ahead and take this out. Right here. Y'all, this feels good. This is actually kind of heavy. Like you know that the mics are well done when they're pretty heavy. You know what I'm saying? So this is kind of heavy. Feels good though. Feels good. This kind of swivels. I was kind of worried about how it was positioned at first, but it swivels. And I know that the sound is gonna be amazing on this. Hold on, let me see what else we got up in here. Oh, as y'all can see, there's a volume button right here, and then there's a mute button right here. All right, now let's see what we got up in this box right here. This is even kind of heavy by itself. All right, so we just got the power cord, USB power. And then we got a little tripod. Little tri-stand. I used to use one of these when I had my blue snowball. I'm so glad that I bought a mic stand. So but yeah, I mean, if you don't have a mic stand, it comes with that, which is pretty dope. And then what we have here is the pop filter, which usually the pop filters are like the squishy things that, you know, you stick the mic up into. And this is a different type of mic filter. This is a filter that okay. These are like little rubber band thingies right here. Obviously they're stronger than rubber bands, but they're just, you know, hold on. We're gonna get this right here. So that's how it goes on. You just stick it on up in there. Just stick the mic into the rubber bandy thingies, and it just goes around it. You see that? It just goes around it. And this is going to get rid of the pop noises. You know what I'm saying? Like when you're talking and you pop. Like I have a pop filter right now, and this thing is like this. That's my pop filter. That's a big pop filter right there. This one, it's just it's a better quality pop filter. I don't want to keep on going on and on about it, but it's pretty dope. Let's just go ahead and let's check out the mic quality right now, man. Now, like I said, listen right now. What you're listening to right now is me on my Blue Yeti Nano. All right. Now we're about to switch on over to the FiFine K683A right now. Let's go. All right. Before we get into the sound, I wanted to show y'all that it's got the USB-C on here. It's connected to the USB right here. I'm not exactly sure what that's for, but maybe you can plug this directly into like a iPad or some kind of tablet and use the mic like that. I don't know. I mean, if you can, that'd be pretty dope, because I got some gameplay off of COD Mobile. You know what I'm saying? I could do a voiceover from the iPad. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right, enough about all that. All right, let's just go ahead and hook everything up and see how it sounds. We're gonna do that right now. I know I keep saying we're gonna do it, but I'm telling you we're gonna do it right now. Right now. All right, y'all. Now this is what it sounds like with the FiFine K683A USB microphone. Now I have this about the exact same length away from me as I have my Blue Yeti Nano, and I just did plug and play. I didn't do any adjustments with the settings on OBS or anything like that. All right, it's just plug and play. This is how it sounds, and you can adjust it in OBS to make it sound better, but I'm just showing y'all how it sounds plug and play, okay? Because a lot of people aren't going to take the time to make adjustments in OBS unless they are doing live streaming or something like that. But this is how it sounds. Let me know down below what you think. All right, y'all. Now that there you have it, okay? You got to hear what it sounds like on my Blue Yeti Nano, as well as how it sounds on the FiFine K683A USB microphone. All right. Now I'm still on the FiFine mic right now. I figured why not just give y'all more sample of the microphone, so I would just, you know, give you my thoughts on the microphone using the microphone. I think the microphone is great. I think FiFine is amazing. I really like. This is not a sponsored video at all. I'm just giving my honest opinion. I think FiFine is right up there with the best of them, honestly. And for the price, you can't beat it. $56.99. This is a low budget mic, but it's up there with the higher mics. You know what I'm saying? Like this is something that you get if you're just starting out. But really, like, even if you're not just starting out, like, this mic will do just fine. You know what I'm saying? So thank you to FiFine for sending this mic out to me to do a review on it. Thank you so much. I honestly, like, I'm trying to figure out if I want to use this mic or use my Blue Yeti Nano. My Blue Yeti Nano is $50 more. You know what I'm saying? But let me know down in the comments below, like what you think of the quality of the mic and how you think it stacks up against the Blue Yeti Nano. You know, we did a review not too long ago, and the other mic sounded really good. This one sounds even better. Okay. Now I'm not sure exactly what this one sounds like compared to the other FiFine mic that I did a review on. I think it was like the K780 or something like that. I don't know exactly what it was called, but this one sounds really good. This pop filter that it comes with is amazing. The quality of the whole microphone setup and everything that they send you, the USB cord, the tripod stand, the tri stand, is just everything. It's well worth the money, and it's just a great product for a great price. So let me know down below what y'all think. It's on Amazon, $56.99. If you're just starting out, or even if you're not just starting out and you're going from a lower budget mic and you're trying to find something kind of mid-tier, this one is the mic for you. All right, so let me know down in the comment section what y'all think of this mic. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button if you thought it was helpful. And if you want to see more content like this, as well as my live streams or my other content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, I'm out. Peace.